Hi, this is Bill Taylor, owner and chief instructor of the Bushido School of Karate here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. I'm here in the Greatness Factory with the #1 business coach in the United States, Super Coach Michael Burt. Michael Burt has been helping business owners all across the United States maximize their potential for over 10 years, and now he's doing the same thing for kids with the Greatness Factory for Kids. This program that I've looked into extensively is now being offered at the Bushido School of Karate. And it teaches things, and as I'm going through the program, I find that it's teaching things that children are not learning anywhere else. Things that they need, like resilience and toughness and things like that to be successful in today's life. Coach, can you tell us a little bit about the program you put together?
Absolutely. Bill, thank you for giving the opportunity for the people at Bushido School of Karate to have this, because I spent a decade as a head women's basketball coach, and one of the things we taught the kids was bounce back, confidence, how to handle rejection. These were things that made us very successful, and they were not being taught in school. These are emotional intelligence things. There's no testing for this in school. But these are the things that kids are going to need later in life. So if you could future-proof kids from failing, if you could teach them how to thrive in a modern and competitive world, if you could give them the things they need to be successful, wouldn't you want them to start early in life? So this Greatness Factory for Kids is an online interactive program that the kids can watch themselves, they can watch with their parents at night, and it helps them lesson by lesson on some of the biggest things that adults need. What I see from adults today is that they need more bounce back. They don't have confidence. They don't know how to build, maintain, and protect their greatest asset. They don't know how to handle rejection or overcome objection in life. So if we could solve this problem early, I have a 6-year-old daughter, and we sit down at night and go through these lessons, and they're 2 to 3 minute lessons, but they give us a talking point, and she grasps some of the concepts. So this is what's in this program. It has a downloadable workbook that goes with it. Has 25 lessons that are interactive, and you can take these throughout the entire year. And I'm just proud that people like you are giving people the opportunity to do this early in life.
It's an awesome program. I've started going through the lessons myself, and I was impressed with the ease of use with the program. It keeps you in order of how far you've gone through the program. It's just amazing, and I'm really excited to be able to offer this at our karate school.
Absolutely. It's one of the. It's a true differential advantage. It's a true free prize. It's a true something extra that you're doing for kids. You see the value of this. So, man, I think it's going to be great for the kids that are going through the Bushido.
It's going to be great. If you are interested, contact me at either of our 2 locations in Murfreesboro. I want to talk to you personally about this program. I can get on the computer and show you exactly how it works, how easy it is to work. If you'll contact me personally through the school, or email me, this email goes directly to me at bushido96@aol.com. That's bushido96@aol.com. I'll explain it to you, and we're real excited about the Greatness Factory for Kids. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.